welcome back to my channel. Hopefully this angle is okay. I'm so excited to share with you guys this new mommy glow up series. I talk about this all the time, but since becoming a mom, I hope this camera doesn't slide off. Since becoming a mom, my beauty routines have really changed. What I like to focus on is low maintenance beauty. So feeling put together and like myself without having to put on a bunch of makeup or style my hair all the time. Basically trying to find shortcuts to feeling good and presentable and just feeling like my best self. So I think this will be like a 4-part series, but for the first part, we are getting brows microbladed. So I've never done this before. I've always wanted to, but I've never really been able to justify it. But the reason I'm deciding to do it now is because I literally never wear makeup, maybe like once a week. And so this is something that is going to really help me feel more put together on a day-to-day basis without having to do anything to my brows. So I'm really excited. I'll insert a few pictures here. I'll insert a picture of what my natural brows look like, and then I will also insert a picture of what they look like when I fill them in. Obviously I'm wearing my natural brows right now, but I can't really get up close to the camera and show you. But the girl I'm going to, I've actually known her for like probably close to 4 years. She used to tint my brows for me, and I can share a picture of what that looked like, and I loved it, but that's just a little bit too high maintenance for my lifestyle now, especially as a mom. That you have to keep up with like every few weeks, whereas microblading is like it lasts up to a year. So that is ideal for me. I'd much rather just do it once and upkeep it once a year so I don't have to worry about it. I'm basically just going to take you guys along through the appointment with me so you can see exactly how it works, what to expect if it's something that you are interested in doing also, and I cannot wait to have one less thing to do to put myself together. So I guess I should give a little about me if you're new here. My name is Kylie. I am a mom to a 15-month-old little girl named Georgia. So yes, that's why I focus on all of this mom-friendly, practical beauty and style. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I put up new videos every Friday, and I'm excited to have you. So let's go.
guys my brows up close. They're a little bit swollen and red. There you go, hopefully my camera will focus. And they've got like this like healing cream and gel on them. That's why they look kind of like goopy. But overall, I am so happy with the way they turned out. They're super natural, just exactly what I wanted. And then I'll just go back for a touch-up in a few weeks. Sorry, I'm looking at them in the viewfinder to make sure they're in focus. I'll just go back for a touch-up in a few weeks. I'll probably maybe get them a little bit more filled in at my touch-up. So basically, when you get your brows microbladed, you have your initial appointment where you first get them done, and then a few weeks later everyone goes in for a touch-up just to make sure it looks exactly the way you want it to, and just so that your, I guess, brow artist can make sure everything looks good. So in a few weeks when I go in, I will probably just have her go a little bit bolder in some areas, and then I might have her like add a little bit more of an arch right there and maybe lengthen this little tip. Just personal preference, but I love what she did. I told her I want them to be natural, and they seriously look so good. I was nervous. I feel like anyone who probably gets something like this done for the first time is nervous, but I couldn't be happier. So they're really dark right now. She said they will fade a little bit. So in a few weeks when I go back, get them touched up, and hopefully they will be perfect, but I am so happy. Definitely can't recommend Sierra enough. So I will leave all of her information in the description box below. So a link to her website, her Instagram information, so you can DM her or email her. Her email's on her website if you want to make an appointment and tell her I sent you. But I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this first video in our Mommy Glow Up series, microblading. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any videos. Like I said, I post every Friday, so I will see you guys next time.